If you're experiencing issues with Valorant getting stuck on the calibration update, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get back into the game. Step 1. Restart your computer. Begin by restarting your computer. This can help clear any temporary files or processes that may be causing the update to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. Step 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can give the game the necessary permissions to complete the update process. Step 4. Repair game files. Open the Riot client, go to the Valorant section and look for an option to repair game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the update issue. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game and can eliminate any persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the calibration update issue and enjoy playing Valorant again.